All right, start of day 3. What do we got going here, guys?
Alright, so we've prepped our stand, which you guys haven't seen yet. And so we've made our little thing to go on here so the dragon can slide on and off.
So the dragon's gonna be up in the air, so.
Kind of slide it down there.
Look like
Show
it's
them
flying.
how it's going to kind of...
So our next step is we're gonna
Weld that onto there.
weld this on to the base. So this is the body of the dragon. So once we attach that, we're gonna start adding some of the different features like the wings and the feet and the tail.
Little
And-
picture.
Right there.
Spin that.
Okay.
Back, we welded this together and it's on this pole. You can see we had to take a little break because our gas for the welder ran out, so we had to go get that filled up and we had a little dinner, but we're back. We've got the head. We decided for day 3 we're just going to add a little bit more onto the head. We had a couple more of these forks, so we're going to add a couple back here somewhere. Weld those on. And I know we said we weren't going to do nostrils, but we decided to put something up here. So what we're thinking is we cut off these saw blades and we're just going to angle them up there like that. Just like that. Just up on the top. So that's what we had planned.
There we go.
All right, we got everything where we wanted it. We got saw blade nostrils, a couple extra plumes. Let's put her on.
Yeah.
You're set. Give me a second, Wes. All right.
Alright, end of day 3. We've got our dragon up on the post that we're going to have it on. We attached these saw blades for the nostril, and we got a couple more pitchforks for back here, a couple more meat forks attached. And what we're planning on tomorrow
Is our tail. So we cut this off with our grinder, and then we're gonna slide this nut on here, and then we're gonna put this here, and then we'll attach the chain so it's right here, and then this is gonna be our end of our tail. And then also we'll probably do our feet tomorrow.
So then our plans for the tail is we're going to have it a little zigzaggy, and we're going to take these little pieces from bearings and we're going to just kind of alternate them on either side to give the tail a little bit more of a rugged look.
All right, sounds good. Catch you later.